Hi, hello everyone. So in today's video we'll be unboxing the asset and welcome kit given by the company Altimetrik. So recently have joined here as part of talent acquisition team on June 1st 2022. So without further delay, as you are seeing, this is how we get the box, the package delivered by DTDC courier to our given address. So once we open, this is how we see the bag, the laptop and the welcome aboard kit. So after all removing the package, if we keep arrange, this is how it looks. Three things are there in that box package. So first one is the bag. So this is how the bag looks. Seems very good qualitative bag, good product. So keeping aside the bag, so if you open into the next package, so that's a related asset. This is the laptop. So this is how the laptop box. So have been received this. It's a new asset, new laptop given by the company, not the old one which have been already used by any other employee. So I got the new brand new Dell laptop. So this is the adapter, charger and the laptop. So this is the Dell laptop. So after all taking it out, so this is how the brand new laptop that has been given by the company. So once we open it, our name with an employee ID is placed over there on the laptop. So this is the asset which is given by the company. So after on the power, this is how it looks. And the next, coming to the third package that has been received over the courier. So this is the third package that is welcome aboard kit, this joining kit, the laptop. As we open the welcome aboard kit, this is how these are the things we get as part of joining kit. Welcome to Altimetrik family, that is what written on the box. So these are the things, five items. Is a mug naming Altimetrik over it, and then the next second item is the water bottle, which is having the bag as well. It's very good. So if you open, this is how the bottle looks. So actually it is a two-side open bottle. One side we have to insert water and other side we have to use it for drinking. And there's a pen. Seems good. And then the notepad, Altimetrik notepad, which can be used for our day-to-day work-related activities. And the next, the interesting thing is that they have given earphones, wide earphones, the company called Boat. This is how the earphones. So once if we try to open, this is how it looks. Seems very standard quality. These are the earbuds, and this is the earphones which has been in the box. Interesting, seems good. And this is the user manual, something that is there in the earphones, warranty that's related those stuff. So finally here we go. These are the things, friends. One is the earphones, notepad, pen, bottle, mug. Those part of the welcome kit, and the laptop and the bag. This is how the unboxing of Altimetrik company, a joining kit and the assets that we get once we join. So based on the location, it will be delivered to us in 1 to 3 days of our joining. So first day we have to manage with our own laptop. So that's all, friends. Thank you for watching. So we'll be getting the tracking details over the mail. So once we receive it, we have to give our confirmation. That's it, friends. Thank you.